My name is Nilesh. I am looking as a technical manager in Mikro Innotech for the laser applications. Welcome to Forming Now. Here we have launched the battery laser welding machines. It's a SPM kind of machine. With this machine, we can do the prismatic cell welding as well as with the same machine as we also do the cylindrical cell welding. And before that, these sessions we can do the laser cleaning with the same platform with the same machine. This machine we use the robotic axis for the flexibility point of view, and also the camera vision, and also the laser depth measurement machine and the AMB laser. So normally this type of machines we provide for the EV industry. So for the EV mobility, we can do the laser welding on bus bar, battery terminals. Secondly, about this machine, we build the UI for the better operating for the machine as per customer requirement, which is also used in assembly line. Total assembly line from start to end we provide along with this machine. At Micro, we providing SPM kind of machines for laser applications and also EV assembly lines for the automotive and EV industry. So along with the leak testing equipment also, and also we are providing the robotic technology, and we are providing best solutions for the industry.